I spoke with the rigger last week and the mast is ready to be stepped. However, he is closed between Christmas and New Year, which is understandable because this guy works like 7 days a week. I spoke with him again a couple days ago and unfortunately he's sick and asked if we could push the work back at least another week. In the meantime, I'm resurrecting sailing footage from earlier this year. Even though this video is less than 5 minutes in length, it still includes small clips from October, July, and one of the initial sails back in March.
Jib away because there's a little more wind than we were expecting. I don't know what it's blowing out here, but it's quite a bumpy ride. GoPro stabilizes the image so you don't get a good feel for how much we're rocking. A set of waves right here. So we see a set like that about every 2 minutes.
The previous video was taken in July and this one's from about October. At some point I cut my foot and it went unnoticed until I saw bloody footprints on the deck. Still to this day I'm not exactly sure what I cut my foot on. I don't recall the exact course, but I do remember that we took the boat out a little further in the bay than usual. There's not a lot of footage because I'm still new to sailing and recording comes in a distant second to sailing the boat. Other than cleaning a little bit of blood, it was otherwise a beautiful sail with great conditions. However, it was on this sail that I found a small tear in the laminate headsail. Thankfully, I had a recently repaired jib that was ready to take its place, which you can see on the time lapse. This is one of the first sails after buying the neglected Beneteau. There were so many issues we didn't know about during these initial sails, and it's absolutely amazing they didn't end in disaster. At least Colleen was properly prepared with her PFD. We're optimistic that the mast will be up soon and we can return to a good cadence of sailing and learning more about our boat. In a few weeks we'll be in Kemah where I'm taking the ASA 105 navigation course and Colleen is taking ASA 101 basic keelboat class. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, it'd mean a lot to us if you hit the like button and subscribe to help us grow this channel. Thanks and we'll see you next week.